In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to lock photos with different password on iPhone. Let's get started. First, you'll need to get this app, Shortcuts. This is the default app in your device. If you're unable to find this app, head towards App Store and download this app. Now you can launch it. Then click on the plus option given at the top right. Now in the search box, type in Ask for Input. After it appears, click on it. Now click on this option of text and set it to number. Likewise, in the prompt, type in password to open app. Now search for another action if. After it appears, click on it. Once you have selected it, over here you'll need to type in the number that you want to set as password for your Photos app. Now search for another action, that is open app. After it appears, click on it. Click on the option app and select Photos. Now you'll need to drag this action below if. Now search for another action, that is Show Alert. After it appears, click on it. Now you'll need to close this, launch your App Store, search for Photos. Take a screenshot of this page. Now go ahead and zoom into the photos and save this as a picture in your Photos app. After you do this, you can close this and navigate to the Shortcuts app. Drag the Show Alert action under Otherwise. In the option Do you want to continue, type in incorrect password. This way, if someone enters wrong password, they will send you the alert instead of getting into your Photos app. Now what you have to do is click on the Share option, scroll down and click on the option Add to Home Screen. Rename this as Photos and set the screenshot as the icon. Now click on Add, close this, head towards your home screen. You'll find the Photos app. Whenever you try to open it, you'll be prompted to enter the password. After you type in the password, you'll get access to the Photos app, and that's it. This is how you can easily lock Photos app with a different password on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.